Koala English. Hello boys and girls, welcome to Koala English. Today we're going to the zoo. I have my safari hat. Oh, it can get very hot in the sun and I'm ready. Okay everyone, let's get on the zoo bus and have a look at different animals around the zoo. Oh, shh. Cheetahs. They're brown with black spots and they're very, very fast. Lions are very big and very, very hungry. Tigers are orange with black stripes. Zebras are white with black stripes. Camels have 1 or 2 humps on their back. Rhinoceros have very big horns. Elephants have very long trunks. Sheeps, they have lots of soft wool. And goats, they have horns. Oh. Pigs are very, very hungry. And chickens come in lots of different shapes and colors. Oh. Ducks have long beaks and go quack, 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 quack. Owls have very big eyes, and owls say, hoo hoo, hoo hoo. And horses are very friendly. Yay! Thanks for coming with me to the zoo, and see you next time on Koala English. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. Bye! Bye!